Reuben and I are at the theater, and we are about to install another sump pump for like the 8th or 9th time. So, you know, we came dressed for the occasion. Reuben was hoping to get some water in his boots. Instead of keeping the water out, he's hoping to get some water in. Down to the dungeon, right? Yes! Some good news that Reuben actually found an old sump pump, the sump pump hole, and a nice outlet where the sump pump is getting the water out. So now the whole goal is for us to tap in there, break the old stuff off, which is probably a decade or two old, and put the new one on. The biggest problem though is getting through all the rust and whatnot and all the gunk. So glad Reuben's here because it's a tight little squeeze to be in there that I sure couldn't get in there. And that's the old pump. Take a sip. So here's how it works. We plugged into the old sump pump hole with some existing PVC drain pipe, which runs along here. We tied it up, fixed it up there, and it drains right into there. Ooh, that is beautiful. Yes. Reuben and I are done. Finally. Through all this time. And by the way, Reuben's shoes weren't waterproof.